It's a beautiful day at D&D RV Center, and we are in Helena, Montana, right along Interstate 15. We are Montana's largest Cougar dealer with Montana's lowest Cougar prices, and that is guaranteed, folks. We sell more Cougars out of our store than all other Cougar locations in the state of Montana combined. Get your best deal on America's best value by getting a new Cougar at D&D RV Center. Today we are looking at a 2026 33 RLI travel trailer. The 33 RLI has the floor plan of the best-selling fifth wheels in the industry, but they put it in a travel trailer. So for those folks that don't want to pull a fifth wheel, don't want to put a hitch in the back of the truck, whatever it is, we've got you covered. Or you're just looking for one level, don't want any stairs, the 33 RLI takes care of all those things. This one has the optional auto level system on it. That is an option, and this one does have it. And boy, is that nice when you're setting up camp. Whew, makes it so easy. Power tongue jack is part of that package. Got a good storage compartment here. It is lit, and you can see maybe on the other end up on the rooftop there is the 2,000 watt inverter. That's part of the Solar Flex 440 package. Again, another option that this coach has. 440 watts of solar, 2,000 watt inverter is on this coach as an option. That solar system is expandable. If you want more solar on it, we can do that. We use Keystone OEM parts. That way it's covered under the Keystone warranty. There's those two solar panels. But again, we can put more up there if you want. We do that all the time here. We include 2 RV deep cycle batteries with this coach. Other Cougar dealers in the state only include 1 battery. And frankly, folks, 2 is the bare minimum. And we would encourage you to consider a lithium upgrade. We do Battleborn lithium upgrades all the time. And definitely worth talking about if you're buying a new travel trailer. 2 awnings, 2 big power awnings, so you get a ton of shade in the campsite. Once you're set up, there's one on the main wall, one on the slide wall. Notice the size of the windows, and you'll see from the inside these windows all open halfway. Makes it awesome for ventilation. So many companies today are cutting corners and windows, and they're either not putting the windows in or they're not opening. Don't fall for that. This does have the ABS braking system on it. Again, we are D&D RV Center, independently and locally owned and operated since 1986, but we are part of the Route 66 RV network, which is the largest network of independently owned RV dealerships in America. That gives us super deep buying power on lots of different things. One of those things includes you get a complimentary 1-year membership in the Route 66 RV Club when you buy this Cougar from us, and that gives you 24/7 access to a certified RV tech, discounts on parts at every Route 66 location nationwide, discounts at KOA nationwide, expedited service if you have a crisis while you're on the road. The Route 66 dealer network will try and get you taken care of and keep you camping. So lots of advantages to buying your Cougar or any other RV from D&D RV Center. Let's step inside the Cougar 33 RLI. You'll see the island kitchen right away when you step. It's gorgeous. Look at the counter space, the sink, the colors. Cougar is the #1 selling fifth wheel in the world. Their travel trailers are also extraordinarily popular. And the floor plans, the features, and the value are why Cougar just knocks it out of the park every time. Fridge is great. Lots of counter space around the range. You have a coffee bar right here. Lots of storage. So that's done really well. Now in this coach, we have the Flex Dinette. The Flex Dinette is awesome because this side right here, that's a ottoman with storage in it. So you could move that over in front of that couch over there if you wanted to. You could sit on it somewhere else in the coach. It is completely movable, and it does have storage in it. You get the 2 chairs, but you can also rotate the table 90 degrees and slide it up against the wall, which makes it more like a bar. So if you want to sit here and work or dine and have that view, you can do that. So it gives you a lot of flexibility when you're out using the coach. Now, if there's one shortfall in this coach, it might be pantry space. Like you could look at this kitchen and go, yeah, it's got great storage, but I don't know, man. I don't know if there's enough pantry space in there. And I'm like, yeah, kind of get it. Except for this little surprise behind the entertainment center is a massive pantry, broom closet, place for a garbage can, and if you wanted, you could have like a Dyson hang-up vacuum in here. There's an outlet to charge it. What an awesome, awesome storage option for the pantry space in this Cougar. So no, it is not short on pantry space. You also have these doors up here, which are pantry, and they are deep. Check this out. Not only is it pantry space, but it's very deep pantry space, both top and bottom. So you've got all kinds of storage in the 33 RLI. They absolutely knocked it out of the park. Over here, we have the upgraded theater seats. Again, notice all the windows tinted and they open. I love that. Even this one right here. Almost nobody puts an opening window right there. You have the theater seats right there. That's a trifold sofa. So that's a great sofa. Will make into a very comfortable bed if you want it to, but that's our secret. We don't have to tell anybody. If you don't want any guests, that's okay. They can buy their own Cougar. But if you need it, that'll make into a bed for you. Great floor space throughout. Gotta love the views. Gorgeous modern interiors. This is more like a high-end luxury apartment than it is an RV. It's just drop dead gorgeous. Bathroom is fantastic. It's easy to get to. You pop right in the door, you're here. All kinds of floor space in front of the toilet, so anybody can fit there. Huge shower. I'm a big guy. Easily can use that shower. Look at the counter space around the sink, medicine cabinet. Then you have this big closet. You got great linen storage there, but in here you got linen storage or whatever you want to use it for, right? But look how deep it is. And that's because, folks, we got washer dryer prep. You could put a one-piece washer dryer combo in there if you chose to do that. If you wanted to use it that way, it is available for you to do that. Floor space in the master is awesome. King bed, opening windows on each side of the bed so you can get some cross ventilation in there. Some cabinets overhead. Big dresser, by the way. Another window that opens there. More cabinet space and a massive closet across the front that is lit so you can see what you're looking for when you're in there. Also another vent in here that is wired and prepped for an air conditioner should you want to add an air conditioner to it, or a power van vent could go in there, or it could just be a roof vent, however you want to do it. So again, this is the 2026 Cougar 33 RLI. It is a D&D RV Center in Helena, Montana, Cougar's largest dealer in the state of Montana, with no hassle prices, no surprise fees, not even a dock fee or charges at D&D RV Center. Part of the Route 66 dealer network, but locally owned and operated since 1986. We hope you enjoyed the tour. If this or any other Cougar might work for you, please call or text us at 406-442-8542. Visit us online at ddrvcenter.com or stop by the store, 806 Stanley Street, Helena, Montana. Thank you for your time. Hope you enjoyed the tour.